Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Summit white paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 3-liter Duramax Turbo-Diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find include heated and cooling seats with heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, wireless charging, heads-up display, power sunroof, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black finish on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center consoles and the seats. Storage on the bottom of the door panel with cup holder, power windows, mirrors and locks with memory settings for the driver's seat and mirrors. On the panel next to the steering wheel you'll find your electronic parking brake as well as several different driving modes and some interior and exterior lighting controls. Heads-up display settings tucked up in the corner, steering wheel column adjuster. Black leather seats with the Denali etching at the top of the seat, power controls and lumbar support located on the side. Stepping inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side you have your cruise control, forward collision alert and heated steering wheel, while on the right you have voice recognition and directional controls to control the information screen in front of you. Plenty of information and vehicle maintenance screens that you can scroll through, as well as having the music you're listening to, navigation, phone settings if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, as well as several other customizable settings for the display and the vehicle itself. Entertainment screen in the center has your audio. This will be AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio. Navigation, phone settings if you're connected, cameras that you can look through. You can open that up. Several options along the bottom. You just tap any one of these. Most options have 2 different displays that you can look through. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as a digital clock on the right. You can actually change that to the trailer status, the music you're listening to, or even the map if you would prefer navigation. Dual zone climate control. This is where you'll find your temperature gauge, fan speed, air conditioning controls, as well as the controls for your heated seats and cooling seats. Just below that you're going to find a few more controls, lane departure warning, parking sensors, to name a few. You can see a few others here. Storage compartment at the front and in the center next to the shifter. Dual cup holder on the right, trailer brake controller on the left. You have a couple outlets at the front as well. And at the back, tucked under the center console, you'll find your wireless charging pad. We'll go ahead and open this up. Bucket storage on top that you can remove. Even more storage underneath. LED lamps so you can see in the dark. A few outlets that you can use, as well as easier access to your wireless charging pad. Up top, you have your rear view mirror with a full camera display. You can turn that on and off at any time. The power controls for your rear sliding window and sunroof will be further up with your interior lighting controls and 3 preset garage door openers. Just in front of the passenger you have a button here just above the glove box for the storage compartment. Lots of room in there to store anything you might need to, and of course you still have the glove box, which as you can see, lots of storage in here, room for anything you might need to store. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that Summit white paint, red GMC emblem on a chrome grille, chrome accents along the bottom of the front bumper with your front recovery hooks, LED headlamps, aluminum wheels with GMC center caps, chrome mirror caps with your integrated turn signal and blind spot indicator at the front, chrome door handles with keyless entry. You have power retractable assist steps that run along the side of the vehicle here. Further look at the back, corner step rear bumper for easier access into the bed of the truck, red GMC emblem in the center of the tailgate above your chrome Denali nameplate. GMC Multi-Pro tailgate. We'll go ahead and open up the entire tailgate. Lots of room in the back. Tethering locations at each corner. LED lamps on either side so you can see in the dark, as well as onboard power. We'll go ahead and lower the assist step here. Open that up. This allows even easier access into the bed of the truck. Finally, let's go ahead and check out the interior in the rear. You have the same jet black finish you had in the front, storage on the bottom of the door panel. Magazine holders on the backs of the seats. Same black leather seating you had in the front with in-seat storage. You can open that up. You'll have this on both sides. The center folds down for cup holders for your rear passengers, in addition to the 2 that you have at the back of the center console. Seats lift up super easily, gives you access to your under-seat storage, and they fold back down just as easily. On the back of the center console, you'll find the rear heated seat controls, as well as a couple outlets for your rear passengers to use. Thanks for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.